Recording in progress.
Hi there, and welcome to this comprehension task on the votes for women. So just before 1918, women were not actually allowed to vote. And the reason for this was because they were seen as being housewives or homemakers, in the sense that they would look after the home affairs while their husbands would be more interested in look after the political and financial matters of their families. But after the Industrial Revolution, which meant that women were increasingly working in factories and other areas of job roles, they wanted a say. Women wanted a say. So they started campaigning and demonstrating throughout the country for their right to vote. And that's when the suffragettes began their particular movement for the campaign of voting for women. So have a read of this in detail and answer the follow-up questions, and we'll discuss this in more detail in our next class. Good luck.